Hello guys, this is a short video in which I'll try to showcase the capabilities of the section classes that we introduced in our Medicus HTML theme. We'll start our demo from our design elements page, which you can also check out online. We have this section, the entry element section. We can open up the style switcher panel. We have all the section classes. So let's say we want to add the background image. In this section we will also add a transparent film class, which places a transparent film in front of the background. We can then add the skin colored section. We can make this section full height. We can also center our elements vertically. So now we have a cooler version of our section. Now let's go to the teaser box element. Now here we can remove, for example, the column paddings by adding the no calls padding class. Then we can make it full width, and we can make this a dark section. So instantly we managed to create a completely different layout with just 3 CSS classes. Let's jump to the department element section. Here we can add a gradient, the gradient class, and a diagonal 50 class. Will also make it a dark section so that the text and title stand out. And we can also invert the gradient by adding gradient invert and diagonal 50 invert classes. So now we have a completely inverted gradient on the background. Then let's head over to the pricing font element section. Now we can make it a dark section. We can also align the 3 elements vertically in the center, and we can also remove the columns padding. That's another look. I forgot to mention that we can download each of these customized section as an HTML file by clicking on this button. So we'll do that right in our call to action section. Let's say we want to add a background image, bj image class, transparent film, and a gradient film to bottom or film to top. Now I can download this section. I can go to my downloads, custom section. I'm going to open it with my editor. And I'm going to copy this and paste it in my index HTML page locally. So I'm going to paste it just right after the newsletter section. So I'm pasting it here, a little bit of indentation. I'm saving it. If I'm going to this is my local index page. If I'm going to refresh the page, you see that I have my section copied and pasted, and it's right just like I created it on the design elements page. We can also experiment with the section classes in any one of the demo pages. So let's go to the About Us pages. By default, the style switcher panel is not enabled, so we're going to enable it by adding the enable style switcher query string on our URL. We refresh and We have this style switcher panel. This section, it's a little bit minimal, so let's make it full height, and let's add the background image along with a transparent film, and let's add a secondary color. We'll also center the elements, a little bit of elevate, so now we have a more impressive team members page. Another example, let's go to the health plans page and let's load it with the style switcher. So let's edit this section. This is too a little bit minimal. I'll add the background image, a transparent film, and make it secondary section. So I'm going to download this. I'm going to open it. This is the downloaded file. I can change the background image by going here in the style section and entering the image I want. Images slider to JPEG. I'm copying all this. I'm going in my index page. Let's place it right above the already copied section. I'm going to save, and then I'm going to go in my index page, hit refresh, and there I go. Here is the section I just copied and pasted with my custom image. That's a quick look at the capabilities and power of the section classes. Thank you.